it's Bentley, and today I'm going to show you how I clean Peach's cage. He's a baby. Don't squawk at me. Okay, so this is Peach's cage. And I'm going to start on the bottom floor and then do the top floor. So let's get started. There's lots of feathers. Okay, now, so first we will take this off. And then we will fold this up. And then we use a wet one, to rinse it off, get all that poop off. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, now we get some newspaper and we grab this. We put it on like that. Just likes toilet paper rolls because he actually likes to chew them sometimes. And look what he just did. He ripped the hole in it. Here's the new step. His balls back out. If you have like any toys that like roll around like the little balls, you can put them on. Little balls are is it over there? And that's the final step on the top. We need to go like this. Gotta get Peaches. Look at his water. This is his water right now. Just got no water. Now we have to do food. Now I gotta dump this mess in the garbage and refill it with milk. We're going to fill his food bowl up. We got a Systemable from Amazon, and we are going to use it and fill this bowl up. I usually do 4 scoops for the inside of his cage, and we have our food smushed together, and this is how it looks. He's so excited to get some new food, because he always picks out his favorites first, and I know what his favorites are. His favorites are these. And I'll show you how I feed him this. Peaches? 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 Eat it. Like mine. We like this thing because it holds 4 bags of food and it can fit right under the cage. I'll show you how. Put it under, see? So we gotta look inside the cage and wash wherever it has poop on it. Ah. Did you have any poop? Oh, that is poop on it. Alright, so these are the things that had poop all over them. So we're gonna wash them. We just washed them with water and a scrub brush. Alright, now we're back in here because we gotta wash. Alright, they're all clean. Now we gotta put them back in his cage. Okay, now we got to do the bottom rack. Alright, so now we gotta watch the poop on the inside. The rag. Gotta wipe so that it will be a little dry when we try taking it off. Upstairs without the bottom rack. So. Whoa, that thing. Alright, got the bottom rack in. Time to latch it up. There we go. My mom is going to put those 2 things back in the cage, but I'm going to put this in. Alright, so now we got to do the top bowls where Peach's level is on, and we are going to show you how to make chop later on another video. So, yeah, but don't leave yet. He gets water in one and chop in the other. So, we ran out of chop, so we're giving him cauliflower leaves because he likes cauliflower. And yeah, so we're gonna make some more chop on the next video, but don't leave yet. Because those cauliflower leaves go right here because it's food. That's done with Peaches' cage cleaning video. Now, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to watch our chop video. Thanks. Bye.